Maine Mendoza update. Ang ganap ni Maine, kaya wala si Maine sa Itbulaga. Kaya namatay si Maine sa binyag ng anak nila Ma at Rambo. Ay na si Ninang Maine sa kanyang inaanak na si yung baby Maria. Ay ba, may picture din si Maine kasama si AMJ at si Chami. Ayan o. Diyan sa binyag ng anak nila Ma at Rambo, baby Maria. Ay Ninang Maine, press. Sa interview ni Ardo about me.
At the same time, ano po eh, masarap po sa feeling, no? May asawa as well. She's made it easier. She's been very more understanding, especially with the demand of both jobs that I'm in right now. And yun lang po, her support, her care for me is on a different level. So I'm just really blessed. I'm just really blessed. Same po. My free times, enjoy my free days kapag may bakasyon. Kaya nga po, we travel na nakikita po ng tao because those are the only times talaga na we get to spend time together, to be honest. Kasi pag nandito po sa Manila, of course, meron din siyang responsibility. She also has commitments to attend to. And also me as well. I juggle up, all these things. But rest assured, it's just time management, proper time management. And we're both very happy. Pamunahan po kayo. And yeah, it's just really time management po. And she's always my priority at the end of the day as well.
Akala nila buntis na si May, medyo nawala siya dun sa Bulaga.
Hindi po. We went on a vacation for our first wedding anniversary.
Wedding anniversary nila.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Thank you, Lord.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for mga update. Ito po ang Richard Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, team forward.